Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today we're going to be comparing Durabook's Tablet R11 to Panasonic's Toughpad FZ-G2 tablet. Now let's see what the differences that are obvious. Well, obviously the R11 is bigger than the G2, but believe it or not, they both weigh about the same. So even with the bigger screen, this is about the same weight, 2.9 pounds, as this Toughpad. The Toughpad has programmable buttons, whereas guess what? Durabook doesn't have that programmable button. I'm looking all over, there is no programmable buttons. They do have some volume control, power button, and a USB port, as well as some other ports. But the G2 has some of the same basic stuff, but they just have extra buttons to program, volume control, Windows button, that sort of thing. There are some lights here to let you know what's going on. This unit also comes with X-Pack technology, so you can easily upgrade it. And believe it or not, if you need to change a hard drive in this, it's easy. It's like 2 screws, pops out, you pop the new one in. That's a nice feature. Both of them come with 15-hour batteries, brand new. They both have front webcams and cameras on the back like this R11. But this is a 10.1 inch screen versus the 11.6 inch screen that the Durabook has. Basically, those are the differences. Oh, one other difference I should mention is the Toughbook comes with the Ultra 5 processor with vPro, whereas the Durabook comes with the i5 12th gen, or you can buy the upgrade to the i7 12th gen. So I think I like the Durabook's processor better than the Toughpad's processor. Other than that, both of them are great options. Both are fully rugged. They both have IP ratings of 6.5. So overall, either one of these are a great choice. Budget-wise, the Durabook's going to be more budget-friendly than the Toughpad. Well, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.